How to travel the world and still make money. Many of us dream of exploring exotic destinations on our planet, creating adventurous memories. To fully savor this experience, it's often ideal to embark on these adventures while we're youthful and full of energy. However, does this mean we must sacrifice our productive years for the sake of fun and adventure? Absolutely not. Pay keen attention as we reveal methods to travel the world while also generating income. Welcome back, valued subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button. We're eager to share more of our educational content with you. Traveling the world and still making money offers some beautiful advantages: time freedom, financial freedom, and location freedom. The opportunities discussed here offer these three advantages, meaning you can carry your work with you and make money without restriction. All these are achievable with a smartphone or a laptop and a good internet connection. Here are a few of the ways to make money while traveling. Content creation. You're essentially sharing your travel experiences, activities, and way of life with your audience when you produce content while you are traveling. Brands typically look for people who have a strong online presence, especially on social media sites like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and travel blogs, to promote their goods or services in an authentic and appealing way. They are keen to work with travel influencers. These products and services could include things like beachwear, sunglasses, luggage, or even destination-specific accommodations and cuisine. Brands offer compensation to travel influencers through various means, including monetary payments, complimentary products, or a combination of both. Online coaching. You can pursue a career as an online coach, a profession unrestricted by location, where you can teach virtually anything you're passionate about. Picture being an online dog trainer traveling to various countries, instructing on training various dog breeds, or a fitness coach teaching mountain climbing or ice skating in different global destinations, all while earning an income and doing what you love. Forex, crypto, and stock trading in Forex cryptocurrencies and stocks is feasible while traveling. However, it's important to be aware that substantial rewards are often accompanied by significant risks. In the context of our discussion, the advantage is the freedom to trade from anywhere globally, provided you have the essential tools such as your laptop or smartphone and a reliable internet connection. Additionally, it's crucial to conduct research on the regulations governing this activity in the country you're visiting. Social media manager. The flexibility that social media management affords in today's environment is one of its most alluring features. You are not bound to a certain workplace or area. You may carry out your activities from almost anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection and the proper equipment, like a laptop or smartphone. Your work can go wherever you go, whether you're relaxing on an Italian beach, wandering the busy streets of Tokyo, or going on an Andean hike. There are plenty additional ways to make money while traveling the world. With these illustrations, we've only begun to scrape the surface. You are warmly invited to contribute to the conversation by offering other suggestions for making money while traveling in the comment box below. Goodbye till our next discussion.